friends, in this video we are going to explain about the project title A Blockchain Platform with Equipment ID for Industrial Internet. Introduction. The primary focus of the project is to improve the security, immutability and traceability of industrial equipment data. By employing blockchain technology, data becomes highly secure, cannot be altered once recorded and can be tracked throughout its life cycle. Traditional methods involve storing industrial equipment data in centralized servers using wire or wireless connections. However, this approach is vulnerable to security breaches and data tampering due to its centralized nature. To mitigate the limitations of centralized system, the project advocates for the integration of blockchain technology. Blockchain's decentralized architecture ensures enhanced security, immutability and traceability by distributing data across multiple nodes. Blockchain has several advantages. It's decentralized, which means there's no single controlling authority, making it resistant to manipulation. Transactions are transparent, so everyone can see them. It's secure due to strong encryption. It accelerates encryption-decryption processing time. And once data is added, it's nearly impossible to change. There are many types of blockchains such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, Stellar, Ripple, etc. Each has its unique features, governance models, and target use cases. We are using Ethereum in this project. Ethereum goes beyond just recording transactions. It allows developers to create small computer programs called smart contracts. These smart contracts, without the need for a centralized authority, a legal framework, manage tasks like storing and getting evidence data. Ethereum's strengths include its ability to create various decentralized applications, DApps, and its active community of developers. It's continuously improving its security, and many other projects in the blockchain space work well with Ethereum. Objective. The primary goal of the project is to build a platform using blockchain, where each piece of industrial equipment is tagged with a unique equipment ID. This ID is utilized to significantly improve the traceability and security of industrial equipment data. By utilizing blockchain's inherent features like immutability and cryptographic security, the project aims to enhance the tracking and safety measures associated with industrial equipment. The project is focused on utilizing blockchain technology to enhance various aspects of managing industrial equipment data. This includes improving security to safeguard against unauthorized access or alterations, ensuring data integrity by preventing unauthorized changes, enhancing traceability to monitor the equipment's journey or modifications, and promoting accountability by maintaining an auditable and unchangeable record of all actions related to the equipment. The project plans to utilize smart contracts, a core feature of blockchain, to automate processes and enforce predefined rules in the management of industrial equipment, data, and transactions. Smart contracts enable automation, streamlining various operations related to industrial equipment, and bring transparency by executing rules and actions without the need for intermediaries, further optimizing efficiency in the process. Requirements. The requirements of the project are hardware requirements, in which we have processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8GB and above, ROM of 25GB and above. Software requirements, in which we have Node.js, Python 3.7.0 version, and Visual Studio Community version. Methodology. To implement this project, we have designed the following modules. The first module is Production Login. The Production Login module is designed for users responsible for the production phase of industrial equipment. These users have specific access privileges to input and manage data related to the production process. They can provide unique codes to each product, add critical production details such as batch numbers, production date, product dates, and images. All this data is securely stored and recorded on the blockchain, enhancing traceability and accountability during the production phase. Circulation Login. The Circulation Login module caters to users involved in the circulation or movement of industrial equipment. Users in this role can input logistics related information such as the current location of equipment out for delivery. The platform allows them to record and update this data on the blockchain, offering a real-time view of equipment movement. This facilitates accurate tracking and management of equipment during transit and delivery stages, enhancing operational efficiency. Distribution login. The distribution login module is dedicated to users responsible for the distribution phase of industrial equipment. These users can log in and input relevant distribution details such as which distributor or retailer received specific equipment. By adding these details to the blockchain, the platform ensures transparency and accuracy in tracking the distribution process, facilitating efficient inventory management and sales tracking. Supervision login. The supervision login module is intended for users involved in supervising the industrial equipment production process. This user group has access rights to monitor and identify defects in the equipment. They can add details about any defects found, allowing for necessary alterations or adjustments in the production process. The defect-related information is recorded on the blockchain, enabling seamless communication and coordination between the production and supervision phases. Blockchain integration. The project leverages blockchain technology to securely store industrial equipment data, including unique IDs, production details, logistics, distribution records, and defect reports. The blockchain ensures that once this data is recorded, it remains immutable and secure, maintaining its integrity and providing a permanent and transparent record of all equipment-related information. The project integrates blockchain to enhance security in the authentication and access control processes. Utilizing blockchain, the system ensures secure user authentication by employing cryptographic techniques. It also provides precise permission control, granting access to different user roles like production, supervision, distribution, and circulation. This enhances system security by regulating access and modifications to industrial equipment data based on predefined roles, promoting a secure and controlled environment. Execution. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. This is the code folder. This is equipment BC folder. Inside this folder are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. This is equipment BC app folder. This folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. This equipment BC app folder also contains a templates folder. Within this folder, we will find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. This folder also contains Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is Hello ETH folder. In this folder, I have Node modules folder. This folder consists of dependencies or modules needed for the project. Open .bin folder. The .bin folder often contains executable scripts related to the project's dependencies. So here we have run blockchain.bat file. Double click on it to start the blockchain. This script will initiate the local Ethereum for development purposes. It contains commands to start the blockchain environment. Now the blockchain is hosted on the local machine at this local host, which is this, and port, which is this. This address allows us to interact with the blockchain using various tools and applications. Now execute the command truffle space migrate. To compile and deploy the smart contracts. Truffle is a development framework for Ethereum that simplifies the process of compiling and deploying smart contracts. They are deployed on a blockchain network and can facilitate various transactions such as transferring tokens or managing digital assets. Once the migration process is complete, Truffle will provide us with a unique Ethereum contract address. This is the contract address. This address represents the location of the deployed smart contract on the blockchain. This is the gas used to execute the Solidity file and compile smart contracts. This is the amount of gas consumed. Now minimize this. Go to the main directory. This is Industrial Equipment Contract Solidity file. This file consists of Solidity code. It handles data structures, functions, and events with modifiers for validation. This is manage.py. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. This is run.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. Double click on it to start the Django application. So the Django framework will host the application locally at the default address, localhost, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this local link. I'm copying the link and paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome. And type index.html at the end and hit enter. The home page of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Django framework. Now click on production login to add the equipment details. So here we need to enter the username and the password of the production. Here the user type is production. Now click on login. So here we can see invalid login details. So we have to enter the correct username and the password. And the user type is production. Now click on login. So we have logged in as production. Now click on add equipment details to add the equipment details. So here we need to add the product code, which is 1, and the batch number, which is 1, and the date is 17 November 2022, and the product name is bearing. Product description is good quality bearings, and the product address is Hyderabad. So we have to upload the image. After entering all these details, click on submit. So here we can see production details added. Now click on view details to view the details which we have added. So here we can see the production code, which is 1, the batch number, which is 1, and this is the production date. This is the product name, which is bearing, and this is the product description, and this is the production address, and this is the product image. So these are the details which we have added just now. Now click on logout. Now click on circulation login link to add the logistic details. So here we need to enter the username and the password of the circulation. So here the user type is circulation and click on login. So we have logged in as circulation. Now click on add logistic details to add the logistic details. So here we need to add the location details, which is 12 PM Hyderabad, and click on submit. Now click on view details to view the details. So here we can see equipment ID or code is 1 and the location details is 12 PM Hyderabad, and this is the location date. Now click on logout. Now click on distribution login to add distribution details. So here we need to enter the username, which is distribution, and the password. And the user type here is distribution, and click on login. So we have logged in as distribution. Now click on add distribution details to add the details. So here sold to stock purchased by Hira Traders. Now click on submit. So the details have been added to the blockchain. Now click on view details to view the details. So here we can see equipment ID is 1 and sold to stock purchased by Hira Traders, and this is the sold date. Now log out and now click on supervision login to add supervision or defect details. Now enter the username and the password, and the user type here is supervision, and click on login. We have logged in as supervision. Now click on add supervision comment to add a comment. So here I will add a comment, that is faulty bearing visible in the product code 1. Now click on submit. So we have added the comment. Now click on view details to view the comment. So here we can see equipment ID is 1, and this is the supervision details. This is the comment which the supervisor has given, and this is the comment date. Now click on logout. So in this way we can add the equipment details and the logistic details and also the distribution details, and finally we can supervise the equipment details, and if we find any defect we can add a comment. Conclusion: the project effectively harnessed blockchain technology to ensure robust security and traceability of industrial equipment data. By utilizing cryptographic principles and a decentralized architecture, the platform addressed historical security concerns, providing a secure and immutable record of equipment-related information, thus establishing a high level of trust and transparency. The project streamlined operations and increased productivity in equipment management by automating data handling processes and decentralizing operations using blockchain. Automation facilitated seamless and faster data processing, while decentralization eliminated the need for a central authority, reducing bottlenecks and enhancing overall efficiency in managing equipment-related data. The project showcased the potential of blockchain in scaling to accommodate a growing volume of industrial equipment data while remaining adaptable to evolving industry needs. This emphasized the long-term relevance and viability of blockchain technology in managing and accommodating the increasing data demands of the industrial sector, ensuring a sustainable and flexible solution.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.